Okay, so I am here with again a concept video which is on the basis of Thallophyta, because few terms are so known yet so explanation demanding when you effort to learn that again. To ease that difficulty only, I thought I will again make a video on Thallophyta. Thallus means, how many times I use this word, I still have children who carry a confusion about what is thallus. Thallus means plant body which is not divided into stem, leaf, and root. Thallophyta means plants who has a body made up of an cell mass which is not differentiated into stem, leaf, and root. So this is old classification. I am here to show you how the plants came to the points of Thallophyta. Plant kingdom, all of us know, is classified into cryptogams, and phanerogams. Cryptogams are the plants which does not produce seeds whereas phanerogams are the plants which produce seeds. Then cryptogams are further classified into Thallophyta. This is where I want to derive the classification to Bryophyta. Few classifications show Pteridophyta also, but let us consider these two. Thallophyta is further divided into algae and fungi. This is the point of interest. Till algae, everything is a plant. If it is a cryptogam, it is a plant. If it is Thallophyta, it is a plant. If it is an algae, it is a plant. The challenge is, why did fungi get classified under Thallophyta? Here the criteria was, algae also reproduce by spores, fungi also reproduce by spores. Algae has a cell wall, fungi has a cell wall. Algae is primitive, fungi is primitive. No system grade, tissue grade, organ grade of organization. But the only difference is, algae has chlorophyll, fungi does not have chlorophyll. The only difference is, algae are autotrophic, fungi are saprophytic heterotrophic. Algae is haplontic, fungi is haplontic. Algae follows haplontic life cycle with the zygote undergoing meiosis. Fungi also same, undergoes zygotic meiosis to produce spores. Because of all this similarity, they were brought under Thallophyta, but in present classification, we don't neither consider fungi nor we consider Thallophyta as a taxon. Instead, we say algae are thallophytes or bryophytes are thallophytes because they don't have a clearly distinguishing morphology of stem, root and leaf like other plants. I hope Thallophyta makes sense now to you people more.